What you're looking at is the all-new 2026 BMW Z6 Roadster, a car that boldly answers the question the industry has been whispering for years. Does a legendary sports car need a screaming V12 to stir your soul? The answer, as you're about to see, is a resounding no, but with a twist that changes the entire game. Forget everything you know about the brand's recent, arguably controversial design language. The Z6 is the first production roadster sculpted entirely around BMW's breathtaking Neue Klasse design philosophy. This translates into a body that is pure kinetic sculpture. The iconic double-kidney grille is no longer a controversial feature. It's been reimagined as a slim, elegant 3D light panel, framed by ultra-slim, digital angel wings, headlights with laser-etched light guides, and iconic crystal elements. But you have to walk around to the back. Here, a single, powerful 3D light bar stretches from hip to hip, with a subtle integrated rear diffuser. The Z6 isn't just a pretty face. It's a masterclass in aerodynamics, channeling air with a nearly flat underbody. Pop the electro-hydraulically operated fabric roof, which stows away in just 15 seconds, even at low speeds, and step inside. Gone is the clutter of the past. The interior is a sanctuary of shy tech, where functions appear only when you need them. The centerpiece is the ultra-wide panoramic vision display. It's a breathtaking 4K head-up projection that spans the entire width of the windshield. All essential driving info, speed, navigation, range, is cast right into your line of sight. Materials are sourced from sustainable luxury, with will-blend upholstery and beautiful open-pore wood trim. The seats are exceptional, offering full adjustability and a massage function. Practicality? For a Roadster, it's surprisingly usable, with enough room for a weekend getaway for two and a decent amount of luggage. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, the powertrain, and this is where the Z6 completely rewrites the rulebook. We have two distinct philosophies. The cornerstone of the lineup is the all-electric Z6. It features a next-generation e-drive system with an externally excited synchronous motor on the rear axle, delivering 402 horsepower and instant, relentless torque. A 100 kilowatt-hour battery provides an estimated real-world range of over 550 kilometers. Underneath, a sophisticated adaptive air suspension and near-perfect 50/50 weight distribution deliver razor-sharp handling that defies its weight, and a chassis that feels carved from a solid billet of aluminum. But for those who aren't ready to give up the symphonic roar of a high-revving internal combustion engine, BMW offers the M-Performance Z6 M60i xDrive. This version dumps the electric buzz for a 3.0-liter, twin-turbocharged inline-six, tuned to produce an incredible 480 horsepower and 650 newton-meters of torque. It's not just fast, it's explosive, rocketing from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.6 seconds, with a magnificent, characterful engine note. The intelligent all-wheel drive system, with its rear bias tuning, ensures you get all that power to the ground. And the fuel efficiency is more than respectable, achieving around 9.0 liters per 100 kilometers. Let's talk technology beyond the drive. This is BMW iDrive 9.0, with a touch interface that is as intuitive as your smartphone and features a fully customizable interface. The Z6 also debuts a new watermark for safety, the Highway Assistant 3.0. This permits true hands-free, eyes-off driving at speeds up to 130 kilometers per hour on pre-mapped highways, a game-changer for long-distance touring. And when you make a mistake, the vehicle is surrounded by a comprehensive suite of sensors, cameras, and radar, providing 360-degree protection. This brings us to the competition. How does it stack up against a Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet or a Mercedes-AMG SL 63? The Porsche is sharper, the Mercedes is more opulent. But the BMW offers something neither can match: genuine choice. For the first time, you can have your cake, the drop-dead gorgeous looks of a luxury grand tourer, and eat it too, whether you want to go to the track or save the planet. And don't worry about reliability. The battery and powertrain come with a generous 8-year, 160,000-kilometer warranty, and BMW's reputation for robust engineering ensures this car will stay solid for years to come. So who is this car for? It's for the discerning driver who is ready for the future, but isn't willing to sacrifice an ounce of driving pleasure. The 2026 BMW Z6 Roadster is the first car that truly makes you forget about the past by giving you a brilliant choice in the present. It sets a new standard, not just for what a luxury roadster is, but for what it should be. This is the future of open-air driving. Thanks for watching.